We are living a life of bed. Nothing to worry about. Oh. If you are living a life of bed, nothing to worry about. I hope you suppose know say by now, nothing to worry. Because every morning you go, go you from if you from here, if you from town, fly go village, go carry food, come back. No, you no go bother say you no get car. No go bother say you no get piece of land. Show that a piece of land wey dey here small. You no go bother say you no get piece of land. You no go bother say you never buy private jet. If you just live like that, this human being life wey we come dey live, come dey make our life come dey expensive. Why land go dey cost like this? Animal no get land. Bird no get land. Na only human being land wey dey we come life just dey drag land. Drag. If you are born you, if you no get car, you go dey cry. Hey! You wan get car? You wan get car? Wow! I just dey wonder that say if person dey live like bird, e be like say na him better o. Because you go just dey free mind. Free mind. You got nothing to worry you. I swear, nothing to worry you. Check that thing now. Bell mbe, mezegozi.